Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series general knowledge part number 31. Question number 826. Marco Polo, who discovered China, which belongs to America, Italy, Spain? The correct answer, Italy. Marco Polo, who discovered the China, belongs to Italy. Who was the first captain of Pakistan cricket team? Hanif Mohammad, Abdul Hafiz, Nader Ali. The correct answer, Abdul Hafiz. First captain of Pakistan cricket team, Abdul Hafiz. The Muslim rule over Spain. The period 711 to 1492 या 911 to 1310 या 811 to 1210. The correct answer 711 to 1492. Round about 700 years Muslims rule over the Spain. Founding member of RCD: Pakistan, Iran, Turkey, Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, Afghanistan, India, Turkey. The correct answer, Pakistan, Iran and Turkey. Founding member of RCD. Who invented the rubber vulcanized? The correct answer, Charles Goodyear, USA national invented the rubber vulcanized. Rubber vulcanized invented by Charles Goodyear. 1 pound is equal to, the correct answer, 4.4 Newton. 1 pound is equal to 4.4 Newton. Who was Lolito written by? Lolito is a famous novel which is written by Vladimir Nabokov. Who is the founder of non-aligned movement? The correct answer, Jawaharlal Nehru, Joseph Broz, Jamal Abdul Nasser. Invisible Man was written by? Invisible Man was written by Ralph Ellison. The same title book, Invisible Man, was written by H.G. Wells. Great Expectations was written by Charles Dickens. Great Expectation was written by Charles Dickens. Alipur Ka Ali was written by Urdu novel Alipur Ka Ali was written by Mumtaz Mufti. The Great Partition book is written by, on Pakistan-India history, the Great Partition book is written by Yasmin Khan. Who discovered the hydrogen? The correct answer, Henry Cavendish discovered the hydrogen. Geneva Accord based on German conflicts, Afghanistan settlement, France and Britain issue. None. The correct answer, Afghanistan settlements issues were discussed in Geneva Accord Agreement, which is held in 1988. 1 million is equal to 0.1 crore. Largest building of Pakistan: MCB Bank Islamabad, the Bahriya Icon Tower, Centaurus Islamabad. The correct answer, the Bahriya Icon Tower is the largest building of Pakistan. Bandar Abbas is port of Oman, Iran, America? None. The correct answer, Iran. Bandar Abbas is a port of Iran. Pakistan Monument is located Srinagar Highway, Islamabad. Who is the Air Chief Marshal of Pakistan? Faiz Hamid, Nadeem Anjum, Zahir Ahmed Babar. The correct answer, Zahir Ahmed Babar is the Air Chief Marshal of Pakistan Air Force. Who won the Women's Hockey World Cup 2022? Netherlands, Spain, Germany? None. The correct answer, Netherlands. My next question, who won the Men's Hockey World Cup 2023? Kindly mention in comments. Long side distance effects can be corrected by plane lens, convex lens, concave lens, side mirror. The correct answer, convex lens. Long side distance effects can be corrected by convex lens. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, tetrafluoroethane. Correct answer, tetrafluoroethane. Italian Meteorological Society has named the heat wave on July 12, 2023. The correct answer, Siberian heat wave means Italian Meteorological Society gave the name of heat wave on July 12, 2023 is Cyprus heat wave. The average thickness of the Earth's continental crust 10 miles, 15, 25 miles. The correct answer 25 miles. The average thickness of Earth's crust is 25 miles. Who discovered the isotopes? Lavoisier, Madame Curie, Frederick Soddy. The correct answer Frederick Soddy discovered the isotopes. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel.